Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create Bolt food account in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and download Bolt app on your phone, then launch it. Then from here, you'll have three options. You create an account using your phone number, sign in with Google, or sign in with Facebook. Today, let's go ahead and choose sign in with Google. So from here, just choose the email that you want to use. And then on the next page, simply provide your phone number. Then go ahead and click continue. After that, a code will be sent to your phone number. Make sure to access your phone and type in the code you received. Once done, it'll ask you to enable notifications. Then from here, just close this. And basically that's it. Now you know how to create Bolt food account in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.